Welcome to our latest video featuring the advanced 4-axis CNC lathe from CMZ. This machine has impressive specifications and capabilities, making it a valuable addition to any manufacturing facility. Stay tuned as we show the various features and capabilities of the TL25 BMS. Whether you're a seasoned machinist or new to the field, this video is sure to provide valuable insights and information. In this video, we will be showcasing the 4-axis CNC lathe from CMZ, model TL25 BMS. This machine is equipped with a Fanuc Series 18 ITB CNC control, allowing for precise and automated operation. The main spindle has a maximum turning diameter of 400 mm and a distance between centers of 676 mm, with a speed range of 50 to 3,500 RPM and a bar passage of 77 mm. The second spindle has a higher speed range of 50 to 5,000 RPM and a bar passage of 32 mm. In terms of motion, the machine has X-axis travel of 240 mm, Z-axis travel of 640 mm, and B-axis travel of 520 mm. With a weight of 5,800 kilograms, this machine is a very good performer for your manufacturing needs. We have some news for our viewers regarding the 4-axis CNC lathe featured in this video. It has recently been sold and delivered to one of our valued clients. We are always updating our inventory with new and innovative machine tools, so be sure to check back with us for updates on available models. Thank you for joining us on this tour of the incredible 4-axis CNC lathe from CMZ. We hope that this video provided a helpful overview of the features and capabilities of the TL25 BMS model and gave you a better understanding of how this machine can support your manufacturing needs. If you have any further questions about the TL25 BMS, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We look forward to continuing to bring you informative and educational content on all things related to machine tools and manufacturing.